Hey, welcome back to RamZland. Today I want to show you how to use Butterfly Pea Flower powder as an indicator. Check this out. All I'm using in this investigation is my stir plate, a glass of water, Butterfly Pea Flower powder. I'm using sodium hydroxide that's diluted, and acetic acid, also known as vinegar. The first step is to turn on your stir plate. I've increased the heat a little bit just to help the diffusion of my powder. So I'm going to add about a spoonful of Butterfly Pea Flower powder. This is about 15 grams approximately. I'm going to add that to my water, and that'll start to diffuse, and you'll see that beautiful color change starting to happen already as that starts to spread out in the solution. So after it's diffused, you have this nice blue color. But look what happens when I add drops of acetic acid. You'll start to see a color change as it turns from blue to kind of a beautiful purple pink color. And that's because it's indicating the presence of an acid, in this case acetic acid. Add a little more. And really start to see it change color. So here you can see it's definitely more of a pink purplish color. Now I'm going to start adding drops of sodium hydroxide, and let's see how that changes the color as it indicates the presence of a base. Let's see if we can bring it back to that blue color here. Yep, it's starting to change. There it goes. Oh, I can start seeing it turn into that blue. There it is. You can really see it down here at the bottom. Now it's becoming more basic. You see it's starting to turn more green. Okay, now I'm going to add a stronger acid. This is hydrochloric acid. I want to see if it turns that pink color again. Look at that. Just an immediate change. That hydrochloric acid. A deep pink color to indicate the presence of an acid. Now we've got this beautiful pink color. Now I'm going to add a stronger base. This is ammonium hydroxide. Let's watch the color change again. Look at that. You can see kind of a change in the vortex. Yep. As it starts to spread out. You can see a little diffusion of that ammonium hydroxide. There it is, kind of a bluish color. So we bring it back from that pink, and it's kind of a purple. Look at the bottom, it kind of looks blue. As the solution becomes more alkaline, you can see this turning almost kind of a greenish color. Isn't that amazing? Okay, so what's going on with this amazing color change is butterfly pea flowers have anthocyanin, and the part of the anthocyanin called delphinidin is what's mostly responsible for that beautiful color change. Again, it turns pink in the presence of an acid. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Just beautiful. Kind of blue in the presence of a base. As it gets more alkaline, it turns green. Just amazing, the color shift that you can see in this plant, Butterfly Pea Flowers. I hope you enjoyed today's edition of RamZland, and I'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this presentation, be sure to remember to like and subscribe.